In this course, I will be giving you notes on almost all the topics which I am going to teach you. So one such topic is Introduction to OSI Layers. Now, many universities have web development in their curriculum, and in some universities in the web development syllabus they have a topic called Introduction to OSI Layers. Now this topic is actually not a part of web development, and moreover it is quite simple to understand, especially if you have studied computer networks earlier. So I will leave this topic as a self study for you. So before you go to the next video, give this entire topic a read it carefully, nicely, and if you have any doubts you can get back to me, you can contact me, okay? Now, like this topic, there are two more topics which I am giving you for self-study because they are pretty simple and not so important. So another self-study topic over here is this overview of HTTP and FTP. I hope you know these two are the protocols. And one more self-study topic is cross-browser compatibility issues. So these two topics you may study later on, this one, and this one. All right. But the very first one, Introduction to OSI Layers, I strongly recommend that you go through this topic before going to the next video. Okay.